Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And we're here to Ancaster Fair with Adia. Nakakang yagit na. Adia, I told you don't remove your ponytail. Okay, let's go guys. Let's go. Ito yung entrance. Mahal din ang bayad $15 per adult. Buti na lang libre ang bata. Oh, may CR pala dyan eh. Han, hindi pa naiabot ni Alden. May Alden pala dyan. Hey, it's horse. Adia, Alden, there's a horse. Is that pre-taste?
Yeah, these are sweet and salty kettle corn.
Okay,
absolutely. You can put your hand like a bowl.
Okay,
perfect.
Thank you.
There you go. Enjoy.
Thank you. Oh, may pre-taste tayo guys na popcorn. Oh, Adia! 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 Ay, Alden.
You wanna buy that later?
Later. Oh, may donut pa dun, oh.
There's a donut, there's an apple, what is it?
Nata school fair. What is that? Damo korta ni Sander, 5 lang ti. Ubing. What is inside? Horse?
Big carousel.
Marami, may mga rides din guys. And tignan muna natin dito. Oh, horse! No. Wow. My horse show. I saw that.
Horse.
Ito yan, look at it.
Go ahead. A big horse. Hello horse. You wanna ride the horse?
Ano pa, anuin mo nga dyan si Althea?
It's a horse.
Clydesdale is next.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that.
There, oh, there. Dito lang, wait lang Mag-video na lang. Horse show naman yan. Oh, diba? Maganda din, dapat dun tayo. Dun dapat tayo, sa loob. Diba? Para makanood. Maka-video doon. Oh, yan o. Stand na siya. Han, pa-stand mo sila dyan o. Tamang panood nila. Makamala. Wala talagang pag-asa. Yan, may horse show. Guys, Ancaster Fair sa Ontario, Canada. Yeah, tapos na pala, tapos na. Okay, let's go to the other side na. Let's go. Dapat doon tayo umupo pala, oh. Doon tayo. Ikot tayo doon. You guys hungry? Nay. Ano? Ang tawag dyan? West Wind. Pas mini donut. Una na. Ano yung meron doon sa kabila? Ay, nakita na natin dati. Last year yan. Ay, last time. Yung ano, yung mga school fair, yung mga drawing ng mga bata. Dito na lang muna tayo. Show area, educational building, Old MacDonald. Oh, there's also Old MacDonald. Old MacDonald. Oh, ito yung donut na napiprito yan, Han. mga
Dinosaur?
mga kalahi.
Dragon.
Alden, go to Papa. Ito yung pupuntaan namin. Okay, guys.
Ano dito?
See you in part 2. Kina-copyright mo ako. Na? Huwag kong tanggalin mo yung nilalitan nito. Ay,
Let's see down the
We don't do that.
Let's go.